Got one. I am moved, and look what my neighborhood has. I haven't cast it out here yet. I covered myself with bug spray, but we're gonna try to get down there and fish that today. Let's see what's up. Caleb hasn't fished out here yet. I'm guesstimating this got to be 10-15 acres of water. Let's walk down here through tick time. Got some game trails. Would I be surprised if I jumped a deer? Not really. Am I worried about jumping something else? A little. Jeez, I guarantee you. Damn, that hurt. Nobody is fishing this. Bro, that's straight briars. Ow. Let me cut the camera off and me just sitting here yelling ow the whole time. This is as close as I dare get. You can see some of this vegetation is over 6 feet. That was a hella hard walk. I can't see the edge of the water either. So I want to go closer. I might try it, but I mean right now I just can't see anything. Tell you guys, I think when I first looked at this pond, it screamed buzzbait to me. I couldn't get out here super early. Yeah, I'm right on the edge. I think my foot's probably gonna be wet, but I'm still gonna throw it. I guarantee you nobody has fished. Anybody who fishes out here, they're not fishing this side of this water. There's no way that anybody else out here in my neighborhood put in that work to get out here to take the buzzbait off. Okay, let's try the finesse paddle tail for a second. I have not even had a follow. Of course, we're fishing a pond with bright blue skies after a rain event, so the weather is not conducive today. We got high pressure, drastic change in weather, temperatures dropped. None of what I have going on right now says that my chances are high. But fish when you can. I want new reels, guys. Look at that reel. That thing is still working. I'm out here fishing freshwater with it. I take it saltwater fishing. I've caught redfish and speckled trout, and it won't die. I have a thing. I feel super guilty if I buy a fishing reel when I still have one that's working. So I want them to break. Then I can say, oh, I need one. Right now, I just want them. So, camera off. I got to get through this again. This sucks bad. There's another thing. There's a huge tidal creek back here where the lake drains out. I really don't think that, oh yes I can too. Came over here in the dark and I told Caleb that we wouldn't be able to get there now. I'm gonna tell y'all, I live in moccasin territory. So that's what this feels like. Got a pipe right here with some rock. Gotta watch out for that. I don't want to step on as LFG calls it, a danger noodle. And we got wasp nests right behind me. Some more rock, a little gully. This is erosion control. All right. Snakes blend in. I don't have a stick. This mottled sunlight on the bottom, you will not see that snake. What critters live here? Leave it up to Way. But like I say, my way of fishing. This is my way of fishing. I don't do what's easy. I don't do what's safe all the time. I try not to make Caleb be super safe, but I try to make him be smart. Oh, heard a critter. Look at that, y'all. Dang. That's not even really accessible by land though. But if I could get a 10-foot kayak back, what kind of birds are those? If I could get a 10-foot kayak back here, it would be popping. One of you could probably come up here from the river, maybe. Well, let's head back up to the pond. Got one on the chatterbait. That feels like a really good freaking fish too. Oh, that was a good fish, and chatterbaits always lose them. They come up and throw it. They just always come up. That was a 4 or 5 pound fish, dog. Chatterbaits always do that to me. I stuck that fish twice too. Just lost a 5 pound bass. What in the world? Oh, chatterbait, chatterbait, chatterbait. Got one. That's on my finesse bait, 10 pound test, and it is a decent, feels like a decent fish. Yep, it's another decent fish, not 5 pounds. Maybe 3. Ooh. Strong. Where'd you grow up? Some mean street somewhere. Come on, baby. My foot is in the water. As close as I can get. Shoot. Razor grass. Razor grass is terrible. Okay. It's a nice 3 with a fat gut on it. Nice 3 with a fat gut, baby. I was ready for a big one that time, and it wasn't. I took the rod out of my hand. Get in the boat. Man, that fish pulled the rod out of my hand. You're not even a big boy. I must have had a super loose grip or something. Okay. Pound and a half or so, pound and 3/4. That was almost a heck of an epic fail right there. One motion, hooked out and back in. I never touched them. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. I will link all the baits I'm using below. This is one of the best finesse baits, probably number 2 on my list of finesse baits to throw. That's a 4-inch zoom paddle tail fluke on an 1/8 ounce scrounger head, a Lucky Strike scrounger head. So I will put a link to that stuff in the bottom. I'm throwing it on 10-pound test on a medium action spinning rod. You can vary the speed, you can pop it. Essentially, this is an upsized crappie jig with a little bit of, I don't know if you can see it, the scrounger head is a very subtle, basically chatterbait. That lip that comes off that head gives off some vibration and makes the bait shimmy, but it's super subtle. Ultra finesse gives the bait, you know, the tail's kicking and the head's swinging, so it gives it this rolling action, and it's just killer. It's killer on so many different species of fish in so many situations. All right, y'all, my battery's about to die, so I'm gonna close out this video. Yeah, lost a 5, caught a 3, almost 2, couple dinks, missed a couple fish. It's a good day for a couple hours before work. So got to go buy a mattress, and then I got to go to work this evening. So I got another video coming with a crazy little bug bait. Y'all haven't seen that yet, but you're about to. And thanks for watching My Way of Fishing. Get out there and fish your way. It's good to be back, baby. It's good to be back.